Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Ramadan is a special time for us to reflection, worship, and togetherness. Today we're chatting with Dava Ananda Safari, Deani Safitri Almanova, Naila Michiko Azahra, and Muhammad Iqbal Almanawar. To hear about their experience about Ramadan in this year. I have a several question for you all guys. The first is what makes this year's Ramadan is special for you all guys? The first maybe to the Fananda.
All right. Thank you for the ch- for the opportunity, April. Okay. What makes the Ramadan in this year special for me is now is that I'm already a student in college because last year Ramadan I was confused about finding a campus like that.
Oh, that sounds great. How about you, Danny?
My answer is same with Dava because this Ramadan in this year is special because I am already in university. Because last year I was still confusing. I was still thinking about where I would continue my study.
All
For
right.
thinking that.
Yeah,
Next,
overthinking.
Iqbal, how about you?
Um, Maybe what this Ramadan special for me is I can do the full fasting with my family because for the last 3 years I was still in high school and high school was quite far from home, so I need to stay in the boarding house. So I could only do the fasting alone, but now I can do it at home with my family from the first day. And hopefully until Eid Fitri later.
I
Oh,
mean,
yeah. So the next, Naila, how about you?
Okay, my answer is same with Dafa and Danny too because this year is my first Ramadan as a college student and I thought I'll be experiencing fasting with new people with my college friends, but turns out we are doing online class, so yeah, I'm doing it as same as before, but yeah, it's still special because I'm just like changing my status from high school student to college student.
The all of question of you is really nice, guys. Next is, do you feel more productive this year Ramadan compared to the last year? First to Naila.
Yes, I do. I do feel more productive than last year because um I've learned to prioritize my work better and managing time for rest and recharge, and also I feel like I'm more intentional about my spirituals.
All right, that's great. How about you, Danny?
My answer is definitely yes because as we know, guys, because we don't have a break from university and the assignment is so a lot, so I feel more productive because I'm doing my homework every day.
It's really so hard for us, yeah, guys. How
Yeah.
about you,
yeah.
Dafa?
Of course, the Ramadan. I feel productive because my time is used from morning until evening. So, it makes fasting not felt for me.
Okay, how about Iqbal?
Well, I think so because last year I just spent my days sleeping, lazing around, and just playing games all days. But now, I think I'm more productive because I'm doing something like reading books, studying, or exercising, or do activities at home or outside more often than last year.
Okay, the next question is, what is your opinion What is the best way to increase worship during the month of Ramadan? The first to Iqbal.
I think I can do it by reflecting on my life, especially in today's difficult times. And I think it can increase our motivation to worship more often than before.
Okay, how about Naila?
Maybe by reading Quran, you can set your time each day, like maybe one juz one day or one sheets one day, and also pray more sunnah prayer like rawatib, tarawih, and duha, and also because in Ramadan we have to a lot of pray to God.
Right, it can make more closer with God, right?
Yes.
How about Dafa?
Remembering the sins we have committed, and so when we are given the opportunity to meet the month of Ramadan, we must multiply worship in this month, like that.
Okay, how about Danny?
For me, maybe make a journal, consistent of our worship, such as reading Holy Quran, making zikir, and also always remember for our goal in this Ramadan.
All right. The all answer you all guys is very nice to the best way increase worship during the month of Ramadan. The next question is what the activities do you the most often to stay productive during this Ramadan? First, Danny.
My activities, the most often eh, uh, activity that I do is doing my assignment, uh, and then reading Quran and also reading book.
All right, that's a great activities. How about Iqbal?
Um, what I do, maybe doing something like reading books or studying and also exercising because if I don't do these activities, it feels really lazy to get through the day.
Okay, what's your favorite exercise, Iqbal?
In my home, I just doing a calisthenic the most, like push up or pull up and something like that. But sometimes I doing a cardio too, like skipping.
Wow, that's so nice. How about Naila?
Yeah, since we have a lot of assignments to finish, of course, to stay productive, I doing my assignments, and also I think by adjust my sleeping time is really helps me a lot to stay productive.
All right. How about Dafa?
Because the we assignment is a lot, I guess. So we doing assignment, and usually, especially in Ramadan, I'm one day to choose and don't skip duha prayer because when in the normal month I'm not like that, and at least in the month of Ramadan I'm better than the usual month.
All right. So the last question from me is how your opinion about the people who break the fast together, but also they are skip the Maghrib prayers. The first opinion to Naila.
Okay, actually, I don't understand why people who skip prayer on purpose because it is obligatory for us as Muslims and it needs to be prioritized. But I know that not everyone has the same faith level. So as a Muslim, we should definitely remind them to don't skip prayer.
Okay, that's great. How about Danny?
In my opinion, honestly, breaking the fast together is an important moment, but skip Maghrib prayer is not allowed. So I would kindly remind them to prioritize the Maghrib prayer first.
Okay. How about Iqbal?
Honestly, I don't care about that, but a question must have arisen in my head. Why don't they take the time to perform the Maghrib prayer? Aren't they afraid of the sin they will get?
Maybe a lot of people have to busy to make a video TikTok, so they are always skip the Maghrib prayer. And then, what? How about your opinion, Dafa?
I think people skip Maghrib prayer, but the people do breaking fast together is idiot. Sorry to say, I want to say idiot because we often do fast indirectly waiting for Maghrib prayer, right? And if you skip Maghrib prayer, your fast is useless for me. Right.
All right. You all of things that a bad behavior to skip Maghrib prayers, right?
Yeah.
So this alright, guys. Thanks to Dava, Nanda Safari, Deani Syafitri Almanova, Naila Misifa Zahra, and Iqbal Almunawar for sharing your Ramadan experience. Hope this month of Ramadan bring more blessings and productivity for all of us. Thank you, guys. See you.
See you.